Hey guys, today's video is going to be a mini frontal sewing, and if you would like to see how I achieve this look, continue watching. A mini frontal sewing is a phrase I created to explain how I can make a closure look like a frontal. Today I will be using a 4x4 closure. I will be using the ball cap method to act as a base. Now what you see me doing is cutting off the thicker pieces of lace on the side, and this helps the closure lay flatter. I use a razor to cut off the excess lace because this helps create a more natural hairline. Right now you see me sectioning off hair to create baby hairs. You want to use any foam that doesn't have alcohol in it. I usually use Nairobi, but I didn't have any more of that. After I do the baby hairs, I set my clients underneath the dryer for 20 to 30 minutes, and this helps the closure and the baby hairs melt into the skin. I'm now taking my wax stick and a hot comb, and this is the step that usually helps get the closure flat. If you don't use a hot comb, you won't get this look or these results. I use the hot comb that you place on the stove, not the electric one that you plug in, because in my opinion, the electric one doesn't get as hot as the stove one. And this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first video. We have a long way to go, so enjoy the ride.